Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So if your Gmail isn't receiving a verification code, first check your spam folder and then just verify your phone number. And once you do that and check the network connection, ensure you have a strong internet connection. Then check your phone settings. There might be block senders, like make sure your phone isn't blocking messages from unknown senders. And then data usage restrictions. Sometimes there is data usage restriction that we set up on our phone. So check that up and limit just check out if there is a limiting data usage for your Gmail app. And then try alternative verification method like Google Prompt or voice call. And if it doesn't work, then just restart your device. And if all these have done and the problem still persists, then you have to do the troubleshooting steps and still cannot receive the verification codes. Then go to contact Google support and go to and then just ask them for the support that you desire. So hopefully these tips will work and we'll see you in the next one.